So not ideal, but we are heading out today under a gale wind advisory. And I have yet to drive this big box moving earthquake with high winds and rain conditions. So maybe the next time we see you, we may be in the parking lot of a Cracker Barrel, but hopefully we're at Fort Pierce, Port St. Lucie, KOA, and we'll see you from there. So we successfully made it into Fort Pierce, Port St. Lucie, KOA. And look, it's a place to stay for a few nights until we can get down to Jonathan Dickinson, closer to Jupiter. But with the southern migration going on right now, it is very competitive and very difficult to get anywhere last minute. So this place, a little overpriced, but it'll have to do until we can make our way down to the state park, where I think we're going to have better amenities and a better overall feel. At least right here we do have Fort Pierce State Park, which has a nice beach and a nice area for the kids to play, and a lot of surfing going on in front, and maybe even some kiteboarding.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns, but I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. And oh, I'm coming too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through.
So we're finishing our last day here at Fort Pierce, in Fort Pierce State Park. The beach hasn't been that bad.
Oh, it's been good. It's a nice beach.
Yeah, as far as the town and restaurants and things like that, I wouldn't say there's a ton of stuff to do. But as far as this beach, $6 for entry.
Yeah, we come every day.
So 3 days here. Kids have had a great time, and we'll see you tomorrow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Don't cheat. Don't cheat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Again? Who's better, me or Bay?
He really is a fun boy. He is. For some reason he's harder than you, even though you're stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, I clear for 1. Told ya.
So I thought while we're waiting until we can head towards Jupiter, let's do a inside tour of our new 2020 open road Tiffin 36 UA. Papa,
You would like a tour of the RV?
I would love a tour of the RV.
This is where we drive. This is the driver's seat.
And this is our sink. This is the house. And where you hang out. And this is where we use our school.
And it pronounce the table. And this is the kitchen. And this is the refrigerator, freezer.
It's pretty cool in there. Not open the freezer. And this is our bedroom, which is
The bunk beds. This is Mama and
Just
Papa's
sleep.
bedroom.
Just sleep.
This is the closet.
Do not open it.
This is the closet.
So this is their bathroom. And this is their sink. And this is the shower. So this is the really hang out. The door. And this is This is our where we brush our teeth. And this is where we go to the restroom. So that's where we're supposed to stay.
And here, this is the shower. This is another toilet, which is the same thing they said. And this is the sink. And this is the washer and dryer. And
Look inside.
inside.
This is their TV. We watch movies a lot.
Movies we don't even watch. Oh, wait. And this is the big thing. You want?
So, and this is the fireplace.
And
This is where we.
this. You can actually turn this into part of the living room. So
These are the speakers. And let's go
those are
outside.
the lights.
Let's go outside and I want to show you some stuff.
These are the storage units. This is the TV, and this is the big humongous wheel. And that's the slide out.
And I do not like boondocking
Why don't you like boondocking?
because I'm afraid we'll run out of water.
Yeah.
For this. This is our people. There. The OK Typewriter sign. So good.
Lights, windshield wipers, and
And
window rack.
so we show you all of the parts of the RV.
That's
And
the
then-
awning. That's the awning.
And we could see you next time of the RV.
And okay and beyond.